Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing video. I know how on YouTube everyone loves unboxing videos. Some things I won in an auction, and I was charged a pretty hefty price for this packaging, which doesn't look exactly all that good, and the box got wet. So that's what I've been noticing with a lot of things being shipped. They come wet, screwed up, so I don't know if that's the shippers. Sure did wedge it in there, dude. And of course, a bazillion peanuts and stuff. That's the one. Okay, that's well, let me get this cleaned up and we'll see what we end up with. Okay, so far so good. I'm not going to mention the name of the auction house or whatever, but the packing on these things was quite expensive and added on to all the fees. And it's a little bit much. They get is they wrap everything in this saran wrap before I can get the bubble wrap off. So it just makes it a bit of a puzzle. But you have to kind of set all this aside, and if there is any damage or bullshit, you got it under control. Now hopefully this will not be as terrible this way. Okay. Got it unwrapped there. You said they did take some time in wrapping this up. Okay. And there we have one Italian Vetterli single shot Trooper Special rifle. Okay, that's a one. Why they put the bolts in here for this other one, I do not know. Okay, one bolt. Put that, the other stuff. And again, well, I ain't gonna show you the cellophane unwrapping, but I'll get this unwrapped. Okay, now, hopefully this will do just as well as the other one did. This stuff isn't too terrible. Get it undone. Okay. See, we lost the parts. Got some problems with the sear with this one. The bore is good, so we have another single shot Italian Vetterli Trooper Special. This one here, a little bit of damage. The little tab for the dust cover is missing on this, and the sear doesn't want to seam the lock, and there's a barrel band missing, but actually not as bad as it was described in the auction. So it's two little single shot carbines, which are quite rare, not in that terrible a shape. So let's go to box number 2 in this gigantic lot.